So we have this severe thunderstorm affected by now, I think. So I just made it home. Look at that. It's 3 p.m. 4 p.m. Pero it's super dark. Look at this, guys. Look at that, guys. Man, that's gonna be a big one. Grabe to. And I can hear the thunderstorm. Look at that. Oh my god. It's gonna be bad.
Yeah, very bad.
Wow. This thing is gonna be bad, guys. So luckily I made it home, pero hindi ko na masusundo yung aking boss. And I'm hoping na okay na paglabas niya ng trabaho. And I hope na nasa train na siya, guys. Pero look at this, guys. Look at that. That is super dark. Super dark, guys.
Tornado warning in this area till 4:30 p.m.
Seek shelter now. That's what it says on my other phone. Let me go get it. And they have like a tornado sound. Nah. Hold on, guys. Ayan oh, grabe oh. It says extreme alert. Extreme alert, guys. Sorry. Kasi yung isang phone ko nag-iingay. But look. It's coming. Kiko, you better get up. Come on, let's go. Look at that, guys. I'm going inside the house. Look. Oh my God. So wala tayong luto ngayon, guys. Look at that. Let's go, Kiko. Let's go inside. Yeah. Continue natin mamaya. But they said stay away from the windows. Kita nyo guys? Dark clouds. Super dark. Ngayon lang ako nakakita ng ganito. Na ganyan ka-dark. Come on, let's go, Kiko. This thing is scary, guys. Look at that. Oh my God. Let's go, Kiko. Ayun guys, oh, mayroong natumbang malaking puno dun sa harap ng kapitbahay namin. So, ang lakas kasi talaga ng hangin kanina. Grabe, kaya pumasok na agad ako eh. Pero dito sa harap ng bahay namin sana wala naman. But it seems like okay na lahat. Grabe, bigla na lang talagang ang laki ng puno na yun ah. Kita ko ba? Sorry. Ayan oh. Yun, tatakpan pa ng kotse. Sana hindi nabagsakan yung bahay nila. Pero parang hindi naman. Medyo topless. Anyway guys, tama na to. Sabi nila stay away from the window daw, kaya tama na yan.